Right, so if you're a plumber or own a plumbing business, I'm going to show you a way that you can leverage AI to build content like this. All this was done through AI. The featured images, the interactive table of contents with some key takeaways, the internal links, so linking out to other pages on your site, linking out to authoritative sources in your niche, the in-article images, the videos, right? All of this was done with AI. Even down here, the call to action to your business, which if people click, they go to your website, right? And then down here, some FAQs, right? You can just take this and click post to integration, and this goes straight to your plumbing business website, right? You can go one by one and publish these one by one, right? Or just go here and click publish all to integration, and all 5 will go to your website. Now, there's a lot more that we can cover here, but I want to be straight to the point. So the tool, Journalist AI, what it does, super short, is it's connecting to your WordPress site or whatever your site is, right? And it does the keyword research for you, meaning it finds the best keywords in which you should be producing content for. Then it generates the content for you on autopilot. And then it also, if you set up an auto blog, which you can do so by clicking here, which I'll show you in just a second here, it publishes the content automatically to your site. Then it does one thing more, which I'll cover in just a second here. But by publishing to your site every single day, every single week, every single month, which I'll show you in just a second how it works, it's going to be publishing individual blog posts. These are individual blog posts to your site. And if we expand on one of these right here, if we expand on one of these blog posts, they'll all be like the ones that I just showed you before, right? With a featured image, with a table of contents, right? With proper content structure, with in-article images, in-article videos that are relevant to what the content is about, tables, bullets, internal links, so linking out to other articles you've written about, maybe linking out to other pages on your site, so all these can interlink between each other, or this one can link out to your homepage, your contacts page, right? External links, so linking out to other sources, authoritative sources in your niche. This is very important for SEO purposes. And down here, of course, a call to action, a CTA, what we call CTA, call to action, so that people can call your business. And the whole goal about this is to have and leverage these AI tools to produce content for your website's blog that ranks high on Google, so that people find you when they search for certain keywords and they call your business, right? And the fourth thing is we index the content on Google for you, right? By setting up an indexer, because you can produce all this content, but if it's not indexed in Google, it's quite pointless, right? So that's the whole power of Journalist AI, and why it's very important that you leverage these AI tools as a plumber moving forward to 2024, right? And before I show you exactly how all this works, let me give you an analogy here real quick, which I often give. Let's say this ladder right here, and let's say that the step right here is success, it's money, right? The whole goal of leveraging AI and these AI tools, at the end of the day, it's make more money for your plumbing business, right? And previously, you had to figure out what keywords you should be writing about. So what keywords do people search for on Google? So you can target those people and produce content around those keywords. So for example, plumbing in UIC, best plumber in New York City, 24-hour plumber in New York City, right? So you got to figure out what people are searching for to then produce content around those keywords, to rank for those keywords so that people click your site and they call you and you get more sales, right? So you got to figure out that first. Then you got to write the content, right? Then you got to source through the content to figure out where's the best place to add the images, to add videos, to add internal links, to add external links, to add the call to action. And in links, in all this, you have to figure out where's the best place in the article to add the link. So there's so much work. Yeah. Then you have to, of course, publish the content, right? And then you have to index the content. There's so many steps, right? And yes, you can leverage tools like ChatGPT, but you'd be starting from down here because there's a lot of things that ChatGPT doesn't do. Mainly linking, images, videos, the automatic publishing, right? But by leveraging a tool like Journalist AI, you skip all of these steps, right? Because Journalist AI does the keyword research for you, finds the best keywords you should be targeting to rank high on Google for, does the content generation, does automatic publishing and indexing, right? Let me show you here how it works. If you set up an auto blog right here, you can set it up so it produces however many articles you want every single month, week, day, every 12 or 6 hours. And this is pretty straightforward, right? To do so, just go to integrations first, click new integration, like so, and you connect your website. So most people do have WordPress sites, but you have a Shopify site, a Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger. You can connect all these ones, right? Once it's connected, just go here to Autoblogs, new Autoblog, and this takes like 30 seconds. You choose how many articles you want. choose a frequency and click create new auto blog, and this will now start producing content just like the one that I showed you before for your plumbing niche, right? All these, again, these were all done with AI, right? So from the images, you don't need to use AI images. You can use stock photos. You can use your own photos. But again, all this was done with AI. We give you key takeaways. We give you internal links linking out to other pages on your site, external links, in-article images, in-article videos that are relevant, not just to the title itself, but to the section in which they're included in, right? And down here, of course, a call to action. Are you in need of a reliable plumbing company in UXC? And this links out to our plumbing company, right? Then an FAQ right here. So again, all this was done with AI, and you can leverage these tools to have your blog of your plumbing website run on autopilot in the back while you focus on acquiring new clients. So Journalist AI and AI tools help you do more in a short period of time, because essentially you can have this AI on the back end, right? Build out your blog and produce content every single day, every single week, every single hour, right? That is tailored, that captures what people are searching for. It is super, super powerful, and I can dive deep into exactly how it works, but essentially just go here, generate articles, and you can generate articles with these 3 simple modes. You give it a URL, your business URL, your business description, select how many articles you want, and select the language. You can select from over 150 different languages. For example, if you're in a city where people might speak Spanish, maybe they speak Portuguese in certain neighborhoods, right? You can select those languages here, right? And produce content targeted to these languages, right? So as a plumber, again, you might target neighborhoods in your country, in your city that mainly speak other languages. And when they go on Google, they do not type plumber NYC. They might type canalizador Nova York, which is Portuguese, right? So you might want to target and have a dedicated page on your blog for these international content to target this international audience that most people aren't doing. So this is an underserved market. So you can leverage this as well. Titles mode, you give it the titles you want, and you click generate. So we generate content based on these titles. Keyword mode is simple, but then what I'd recommend you do is go with the advanced mode, because here is where we give you a lot of creative freedom, right? There's these 7 steps, which I won't go over in detail right now, but essentially you can choose the language again, you can choose the level of creativity, you want more correct or factual content, maybe you want more original content, you could choose the tone of voice to match your brand's tone of voice, fun, informal, academic, neutral, you can change the point of view, right, plural, singular, third or first person, you can even connect right here with step 1, you can connect your brand so that the content produced isn't bland, right? If you connect your brand by clicking here, I won't dive too deep into this right now, but the content produced is going to be using your own brand's images, your own brand's tone of voice, your brand's mannerisms. It's a very, very powerful tool, right? You can add here a call to action, add FAQs, change the headings, add key takeaways, set up automatic internal links or links, choose the images. You can choose from Google license free photos, stock images, custom images, or AI images, which I recommend you try it out. This is an amazing system right here. And you can, of course, enable a featured image or in-article images. You can do the same for videos, right? If you just enable this right here, we'll generate the article, read through it, and then go on YouTube and find the best video that's relevant to this article and add it inside of your article. Now, the best way for you to understand how this works is just to test it out. So I'll recommend you go to tryjournalist.com. I'll leave a link for this in the description and also in the pinned comment down below, so you can try it out for your business. Just go here, generate articles, and try either one of these modes works. And yeah, that's essentially why this tool is so powerful if you want a plumbing business, because you can essentially automate all of your blog posts and bring in more clients every single month. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.